AI Finance Daily, where artificial intelligence meets your money. Most people are getting this wrong. Today, we fix that. The subject, the AI stock, nobody is talking about that could 10x if the trend continues. As investors clamor for clarity in the AI landscape, let's confront an uncomfortable truth. The most obvious winners in AI, names like Nvidia and Microsoft, are already premium priced. Their visibility may eclipse the potential of lesser-known players in the sphere. Yet, there exists a company quietly building its foundation in the shadows, capable of generating returns that are truly transformative. Consider a name like AMD. With recent stock prices hovering around 231 and its prominence in the semiconductor space, AMD is often overshadowed by its larger competitors. However, one overlooked player lies in the realm of high-performance computing for AI, a crucial space unlikely to be flagged by conventional investors. Yet, this player is more than just a silent participant. It's positioned to capture substantial value as demand surges. To contextualize this, let's examine AMD's balance sheet. For the past few quarters, we've seen significant growth in their data center segment, which reported revenues close to $1.4 billion in Q2 2023 alone. This segment has been a lifeline, contributing approximately 30% of total revenues. With analyst projections suggesting a compound annual growth rate of around 12.5% through 2025 in the AI market, AMD stands poised to capitalize on this trend. The mechanics of this hidden winner are fascinating. AMD's EPYC processors are architected specifically for workloads that involve AI and machine learning. As major tech companies ramp up their AI capabilities, they require processors that can handle heavy data loads and complex computations. AMD's competitive advantage lies in its ability to deliver high-performance solutions at favorable margins, estimated to be around 45% compared to some rivals. Let's juxtapose that with Nvidia, often heralded as the gold standard in GPUs. While Nvidia's GPUs are fantastic for many applications, AMD has begun to carve out a niche with its new AI-specific hardware. A report from IDC suggests that AMD is expected to increase its market share among AI data centers by about 10% in the next 2 years. This change is not merely incremental, it signifies a shift in the competitive landscape that could reward forward-thinking investors. Now, what are the risks here? We must acknowledge the potential headwinds. As of now, Nvidia remains the dominant player, and its technological advancements are formidable. The competition also includes established giants like Intel, who may innovate faster than anticipated. Regulation issues around AI can introduce uncertainty that impacts all players. However, one scenario to consider is the current wave of AI regulations that could limit the effectiveness of Nvidia's dominance. This could create an opening for AMD, as companies look for diversified options for their AI infrastructure. Should this play out, the long-term growth potential for AMD could be significant, with estimates suggesting a 10x return if it captures even a fraction of market share from incumbents in this burgeoning sector. The important takeaway is understanding that not all winners get equal visibility. AMD's strategic moves into AI, coupled with its existing strengths in computing, position it as a hidden gem. For the retail investor looking to diversify, this might be a chance to consider a name that could experience outsized returns in an evolving market landscape. As we look forward, keep an eye on upcoming comments from AMD's management regarding future product lines and partnerships. Major tech conferences can serve as catalysts for re-rating the company's stock. If AMD announces breakthroughs or partnerships tapping into AI, the market could respond swiftly, perhaps leading to significant price movements. In summary, while the hype gravitates towards certain high-profile companies, there's immense potential in hidden players like AMD. They thrive on the back of industry trends, but go unnoticed by the broader market. This underappreciation often results in stronger upside for investors who dive deeper beyond the obvious choices in AI. The figures discussed here are drawn from publicly available data. Always verify before making any financial decision. This is educational content. not financial advice. AI Finance Daily. Thanks for listening. If this episode added something to how you think about AI and money, follow the channel. There's a lot more where this came from.